Leather is one of the most popular and versatile materials used in making shoes, bags, wallets, and belts. Why is leather considered such an excellent material? Here are some reasons why leather is of utmost quality. Leather is durable and has a high resistance to abrasion. Genuine leather will not melt or burn, and it is extremely difficult to rip or puncture. So, articles made from leather can last for many years. Leather is also resistant to water and other chemicals. It can withstand harsh weather conditions and still remain in good condition. Leather is also very comfortable. This is because it is soft and flexible. Leather is breathable yet protective, making it ideal for shoes, jackets, and gloves. Leather is easy to maintain. You can wash it by simply wiping it with a damp cloth. You can also clean it by using a mild soap solution. Leather is hypoallergenic. People who have allergies or breathing difficulties often obtain leather products since it can be cleaned rather easily and does not collect dust and other harmful allergens. Leather is stylish. It's available in a variety of colors and designs, so it can be suitable for any personality. Leather looks classic and luxurious. Leather is a good investment that will save you money over time. Because leather can last for years and years, the price that is paid for the product is worth every penny in the end. Leather is more sustainable than synthetic materials since it is durable, repairable, and recyclable. It is often made from a byproduct of the food industry. If this byproduct were not converted into leather, it would be thrown into a landfill, a harmful risk to the environment. As a natural product, leather will break down in a landfill in 10 to 50 years, depending on the type of leather. A typical synthetic leather takes more than 500 years to biodegrade in the same environment. Leather's unique characteristics offer value, comfort, durability, and fashion.